So for today I am going to start with some sort of numericals for you, and these are very important numericals to discuss. So I'm writing it, and then after I'll discuss each and every steps of each and every numerical. So let us start. This is what the revision Form 11 physics by me as per the date today. So I'm taking here the first question. The first question here is that percentage error in measurement of mass and speed. Percentage error in mass is given as 2%, and percentage error in speed is 3%. What we have to do, we have to find out the error in the kinetic energy. Question is to find out error in kinetic energy. So this is the question. Now we all know that the formula for kinetic energy is half of mv square. This is what the formula for kinetic energy. Half of mv square equals to kinetic energy. We all know this. Now how to proceed with? We will proceed in a similar way as we all know. We know that the error for kinetic energy we have to find out. So what we have to find? The percentage error in it. So we will write like this: del k, that means kinetic energy, upon k into 100. This is the percentage error in kinetic energy, right, in form of percentage. So how it will be written as? It will be equal to, as we know the formula here, half of mv square, right? So what to do now? The constant, this constant has no meaning at all, so we are not going to use that. So for m we are writing as del m by m. And for v square, now here for percentage error we should write 100 as well at the same time, plus for v, now v square is here, for v square twice of del v by v into 100. This will give us percentage error. Now how to carry on? Now this value, percentage error in mass and percentage error in the velocity, the percentage error in velocity has been given to us, right? We have been given percentage error in mass is 2% and percentage error in speed or velocity is 3% here. So this is what we have given. Now we will put the value over here. So let us put the value. The value will be here equals to 2% plus 2 into 3. That will give us 2 plus 6. That means 8%. This is what 8% we have. Okay. So 2% plus 2 into 3 equals to 2 plus 6 equals to 8%. So this is what we have done. It's very easy. Let me revise it for you. First of all, the question has been given as the percentage error in mass is 2%. Percentage error in speed is 3%. Find out percentage error in kinetic energy. So here if we should write that this is what we have been asked, del kinetic energy by K into 100. This is what we have been asked. Del K by K into 100. This has been asked. So for that we have moved here, and we know the formula for kinetic energy. We have written here the formula for kinetic energy. And that is what? Half of mv square equals to kinetic energy. And we have proceed this in this way: del m by m into 100 plus twice of del v by v into 100, right, according to the formula. And then we have reached to this solution. So we have done this. Now let us take another question. Now we have another question. The another question is that is of the same way but in different way. The density of cube is measured by measuring its mass and length of its side. If the maximum error in the measurement of mass and length are 3% and 2%, the maximum error in the measurement of density will be. You have been given the errors in the measurement of mass again, and length has been given. Percentage error again, percentage error in mass has been given to us, and that is again 3%, and percentage error in length has been given to us, and that is what? 2%. We have been asked maximum error in measurement of density. Error in density we have to find. That means density, how much error in percentage has been asked. So how to proceed within this question? For this question we should know the density formula again here. What is the formula for density? For the formula of density we should know things over there. How to proceed with that? Unless and until we don't know the formula, we would not be able to do it. So I am writing it: density equals to mass upon volume, right? That means nothing, mass by volume. Volume means length into length into length, that means L cube, right? So ultimately we have the formula density as mass upon L cube. Now this formula is very very important, because on this basis we would be able to find out the percentage error, right? So we will write it as like that: del rho by rho into 100. This is our question to find, del rho by rho into 100. And in RHS we have to write del m by m plus, we will mold this formula. Let us move to the next page. We will have del rho by rho into 100 equal to del m by m into 100 plus thrice of del L by L into 100. 3 here comes because the power of V F or power for L was 3, for m by L cube was the density formula, that's why. Now we'll put the value. We have been given this value and we have been given this value as well, so we'll put the value. Del m by m into 100 has been given as 3. Now this 3 into del L by L into 100, that is what, 2. So easily we can do 3 plus 6. This time it comes as 9%. So I hope you have understood this question easily. So let us proceed to the next one. Next question I am taking here. Now the next question I am taking as the error in the measurement of a radius of a sphere. A sphere has been given in which the percentage error in radius, that means del r by r into 100 has been given, and this is given as 2%. This is given. This is what percentage error in radius of the sphere, and our case is sphere. We have been given sphere. Error in the determination of volume has to be found. Error in volume, that means percentage error in volume, that means del V by V into 100 has been asked to us. This is the question for us. Now we should know the formula for the volume. What is the formula for volume? Volume of sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now this is a constant quantity, this one, so this is not going to be counted. So the only thing that we have remain is r cube. So how it can be written? It can be written as del V by V into 100 equals to 3 del R by R into 100, right? And del R by R into 100, this quantity has been given to us. This is what it is here, 2%. So simply we will multiply the thing over here. That means we will do like this: 3 into 2, that will give us 6%. So simply you can do like this: 3 into 2 for 6%. Now let me take another question. Voltage across a bulb has been given to us. Voltage across a bulb has been given to us as 200 220 volt and 100 watt. The drops voltage reduced, this voltage reduced to 2.5%. The voltage get reduced to 2.5%. So we have to find out the percentage of the rated value by which the power has been decreased. Fine. So easy to do it, as we know that the value of power, the formula, I mean to say, the power formula is nothing but it is given by P equals to V square by R, right? So error in power has been asked to us. So obviously we will write like this: del P by P into 100 equals to twice of del V by V into 100 plus del R by R into 100. And now we will put the values. So let us put the values. For del B by V into 100, we have been given as 2.5%. This 2.5% has been given for this del V by V into 100. So let us proceed with, let's put the value now. That is what? 2 into 2.5 plus 0. Percentage change in resistance has not been given. It is a constant, so it is, the value is 0 over here. So what comes out, our answer as, it comes out as 5%. Hope you have enjoyed the class today. So by the next time I'll come with the more questions in the next class. So thank you for today.